In this video, we will discuss Python sets. A set defines a collection which is unordered and unindexed. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. Unordered means that the items in a set do not have a defined order. Set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can remove items and add new items. Set items can appear in a different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to by index or key. Set can be created using curly brackets, as illustrated here. Set cannot have two items with the same value. If assigned duplicated items, they are represented only once. In a set, the values true and 1 are considered the same value and are treated as duplicates. We can use len function to determine how many items a set has. Set items can be of any data type, byte, string, integer, and boolean. The same set can also have items of different data types. For example, this set contains strings, integers, and boolean values. In Python, sets are defined as objects of a class with the data type set. We can also use the set constructor to create a set. Sets are not indexed and we cannot access set items by referring to an index or a key. However, we can loop through the set items using a for loop, or we can ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. You cannot alter the set itself, however, you can add new items to a set using add method. The update method can be used to add items from another set into a given set. The update method can be used to add items in a given set from any iterable such as tuples, lists, and dictionaries, etc. The remove and the discard methods are used to remove an item in a set. If the item to remove is not present, remove will give an error. But discard will not raise an error even if item is not present in the set. You can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove a random item. The returned value of the pop method is the removed item. Sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you do not know which item that gets removed. The clear method empties the set. As shown in this example, the del keyword will delete the set completely. This is it for now. In next part, I will discuss Python dictionaries. Thanks for watching.